Good evening, fellow Toastmasters.
Good evening.
My dear guest. I am going to talk about something interesting to all of us. One of the most fascinating things for the desert dwellers, that is the rain. I was on vacation last 2 weeks back to visit my home country, India. In fact, I was yearning for a vacation in monsoon season. In Kerala, it's known for a wet place. Even after 2 weeks, I'm a bit nostalgic. The beautiful scene of the tiny drops of water falling from the tree leaves after taking a little rest there. The wet roads, the overflowing rivers. Even I dream of the rainwater falling on the terrace throughout night. I enjoyed my time. After all, what is this rain? Rain is the water droplets that falls due to the atmospheric water vapor condensed and then precipitation, that is to become heavy enough to fall under gravity. Rain is the major component of water cycle and is responsible for depositing most of the fresh water on the surface. It is measured in millimeter per hour. The best known location is in southern part of Himalaya, that is India, that is Cherrapunji. And the average rainfall confirmed is 11,430 millimeters. Why does it differ? Rain falls in one place at a high rate, and we know in Kuwait it is almost dry. It's actually rains, but the falling water or the rainy clouds evaporates before it reaches the ground. That is what describes the Wahhabi in deserts of Utah. He says that the rainy clouds are falling down and that evaporates due to the desert heat, or that is due to the atmospheric heat, and then it evaporates halfway between the ground and the earth. If we look at the cultural attitude of people, how does people welcome rain? We welcome rain, and most of the people does the same. But in temperate climate, that is not the case. People become more stressed when the climate is more cloudy, or even to say when the weather is unstable. If we look at the catastrophes caused by rain in places like India or Philippines, I believe people become panicked when they hear of the rain. Even when I was on vacation, I was hearing from the newspaper the heavy rain and the dams are going to be overflowing within few times. So we were all much stressed. People's mood. In dry places, there was a custom that people even praying for rain. In the countries like Botswana or Setswana, the word rain, that is gola, is used as the name of their national currency. If we apply the same principle here in Kuwait, I believe, use the same terms, look at the economic importance of rain in this desert country, I think the national currency to be renamed to petrol or diesel instead of cable. But that is not the case everywhere. In some places it rains and some places it does not. But rain is mostly considered as a blessing of what we call the universe. Because only in this planet it is confirmed that there is rain, but in other planets that is not the case. In other planets there is suspected to be acid rain or iron rain or many other chemical rains. If there is no rain, there cannot be life on this earth. Rain brings water, and due to water there is life on this earth. Rain is the major reason for vegetation. If there is no vegetation, all crops will wither away. And so, when we look at the rain, what we learn from it? We learn that rain falls on all human beings, irrespective of how we approach it, how we take it. But that is what William Shakespeare says. It falleth on the one who gives, and it falleth on the one who takes. Back to questions.